It is officially show day here in India. I'm on my way down to do sound check with KSHMR. Just enjoying the view from the window here, but we're about to go jump in with the band, so let's get into it. The stage. Woo-hoo. Hey. We are about to sound check here with KSHMR. This is his booth. This is the venue. And then very soon we're about to get the orchestra up here on stage. We're gonna start getting their ears dialed in and making them sound all beautiful. And then later tonight, you're gonna see this place all lit up and sparkly, all shiny, while KSHMR does his thing. It's gonna be super fun. It is so hot.